Are you ready to discover the top safety audit template apps? These tools replace paper forms and messy spreadsheets with digital solutions. Let's explore how they guide your team step by step. eAuditor leads by combining ease, speed, and depth. Create custom templates quickly and use them offline. Managers track issues in real time with photos and notes. Automation reduces delays by scheduling audits and sending reports instantly. Audits become a smart, trackable workflow. eAuditor Pro offers a simple layout ideal for small teams. Use ready-made templates or build your own, though customization is limited. Audit Master focuses on structured workflows and compliance. It's useful for industries with heavy regulations. Both apps deliver reliable reporting. Safety Check 360 supports mobile audits with ease, log hazards quickly, and share updates instantly. Reporting tools are limited but suitable for basic inspections. InspectFlow offers clean design and smooth navigation. It suits teams wanting a no-fuss experience. Safety audits protect people and processes. Using the right app improves accuracy and speed. These apps enhance visibility across inspection workflows. They are essential for maintaining proper records. eAuditor stands out for flexibility and reporting. Consider team size and daily app usage. Assess how often inspections occur. Offline access and automation needs are crucial. Test the interface for ease of use. The best app should match your daily flow. The right safety audit app transforms team approaches. eAuditor excels with its flexibility and real-time features. It ranks #1 among the top 5 apps. Choose wisely to enhance accountability and improvement. Embrace these tools for better safety management.